Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Patchworks Lumia series for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is also available for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which I will be reviewing in a separate video for that phone. So thank you to Patchworks for sending these out for review. They sent 3 of each series, so we have the 3 different colors here. We also have 3 different colors for the S21 Ultra. Now, they did send 2 of these, 2 sets of each, so I will be doing a giveaway. Stay tuned to the end of the video on details for that. But right here we have the clear Lumia, we have the clear in black, and we have the pink, or maybe I might call that rose gold and black. So I'm going to put on, I think I'm going to put on the black and clear one, just because it's something a little bit different. It's not totally clear, and it's not totally, you know, like black or something like that. Give me 1 second, let me go pop this thing open and we will take a look at it. Alright, so I got the tape cut. As you can see here on the back, certified drop protection, double layered, 3 meters or 10 feet drop protection and quality material. I've used Patchworks cases in the past and I can definitely say they are quality. So in here we get a cleaning wipe. That's pretty cool. They include a little wipe, I guess, in case it gets dusty or anything like that. When you peel these off, you can go ahead and clean it off before you put it on your phone, or if you need to clean the back of your phone before putting the case on, since it's clear, you have the wipe to do that as I throw it around. And just go ahead and snap it in there like so. Looks very nice on the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max. You do have little raised corners right here, so your phone does not wobble when you type on it with the camera, so that's really nice. It raises it up so the camera's not on the table or whatever surface you have it on. We do have some raised edges here, not too high, but they are raised, so they will offer you some screen down protection. So that is the Patchworks Lumia series case right here. If you want to win one of these, I will be giving away one of each color. This is for the iPhone only, iPhone 12 Pro Max to be specific. I will be giving them away for the S21 Ultra in that video as well. So if you want to win one of these cases, as well as the black one, brand new, unopened, leave a comment down below telling me what you like about your iPhone 12 Pro Max and why you need Patchworks protection. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe below. And as always, have a great day.